So in this video, I'm going to explain you how you can scrap the reviews from your Google Maps businesses. Okay, so I have just browsed some businesses here, and now I want to scrap reviews from specific business. So I have this software, okay, named as Map Scrapper Pro. So you can put the Google Map URL here, you can put the file name you want to save, and you can click on Start Scrapping button, and you will get a lot of reviews from that specific business. It will actually scrap these reviews for you without manually putting each review on the Excel sheet. And if I just put the URL here, so suppose that if you want to scrap this specific business, you will just open this business in the new tab, and you will just copy it URL from here, and you just need to put in the software like this, and you just need to name it like what you want to save it at. So I will save it like this. So make sure you have put the XLX so it can save easily. Okay, so now what you have to do, you have to just click on Start Scrapping button, so it will scrap all of the reviews for you. So when I will click on this button, it will open the business for you here, and it will navigate to the reviews tab, and it will fetch all of the reviews one by one, and it will put in the Excel sheet as well as in the software tab here as well. Okay, so let's wait for it. So it's just scrapping, so we're just waiting for the reviews, and there you go. You can see total number of reviews are found 20, and average rating is 4.05. okay, and the positive rating is 17, and negative reviews are only 3. Okay, so if I scroll down, we can see like this is the first review. Okay, so this was a very good experience, highly recommend. You can see here this is the second review, and this is the third review. Okay, and so on. So you can see all of the reviews here with their ratings, with their posting date, and the total reviews posted by that specific user, so you can see that as well. So if I go to this user like this one, it has 34 reviews, and you can see 34 reviews here. So if I go to this one, you can see Jahanzeb Ahmad Khan here, and total reviews by this user are 91, and you can see it here. And currently there is no other response, but you can ignore that. And some of the reviews don't have even the review, but they just posted their stars. So if I show you maybe, so you can see like this one, there is no review, so that's why it put NA. Okay, so this one has no review, that's why it put it like this. Okay, by the way, it's scrapping very well, everything is going there. Okay, so now the question is how you can get this software. So if I show you how you can contact us, there are multiple options. Like you can contact us on WhatsApp, you can contact us on email, you can follow our YouTube channel, and you can buy this product. You can buy this product on Patreon and GumRoad. So actually this product, this specific scrapper is paid like $55 a month per subscription. If I show you here, okay, you can see this is only $55 a month, and in this specific scrapper, in this amount, you can scrap as many businesses as you want with no limits at all. Okay, so you just need to buy this product, and you will be able to use this product with as many businesses as you want, and you can scrap a lot of data with this tool without any limits or without any other things. Okay, so you just need to upgrade it, and you can get it easily. Not only this, if you want to become our Patreon member, you can just upgrade, or you can just join our plan. You can become member of our team, and you will enjoy all of the other premium softwares in the specific $55 a month subscription. So if you buy from GumRoad, you just need to pay it, and you will get our software. And if you buy it from Patreon, so in this price, you will not only get this software, but you will also get a lot of other softwares. You can see if I show you other features, you can free access to all premium softwares in just $55 a month. So you have two options: either buy from Patreon or either go with GumRoad. Okay, so that's it, how you can scrap this. And not only this, if I show you the license here, you can click on upgrade to pro button. It will ask you to upgrade the membership, and even it will show you the current plan as well. So this is how you can scrap the software. You can scrap the Google reviews using this software. And if you have any question, you can ask in the comment section. And if you like the video, you can hit the like button. And if you want to buy this from Patreon or from Gumroad, I have attached a link in the YouTube video description and you can get it from there. Thank you. Have a good day.